अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एक बार फिर खुशामदीद कहते हैं आपको अपने चैनल हमजा इन्फो में। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि वेब होस्टिंग क्या है, इसकी फ़ीचर्स क्या हैं और इसकी ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है। तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने हमारा चैनल हमजा इन्फो को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर लें। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू कर लेते हैं। व्हाट इज़ वेब होस्टिंग? Web hosting is a service that stores your website or web application and make it easy accessible across different devices such as desktop, mobile and tablets. Any web application or website is typically made of any files such as images, videos, text and code that you need to store on special computers called servers. The web hosting service provider maintains, configures and runs physical servers that you can rent for your files. Websites and web application hosting services also provides additional support such as security, website backup and website performance, which free up your time so that you can focus on the care functions of your websites. Why is web hosting important? Hosting your business websites on an internal server can be some time consuming and expensive. Web hosting providers offer the following benefits. Performance: a web hosting company that manages hardware resources for multiple websites has greater purchasing power. It invests in cutting-edge technology so that you get high-performing web servers with processing power, internal memory, and other computing resources. These improves website performance and your visitors can load pages quickly. Reliability: web hosting service providers takes away the stress of ongoing server maintenance. They performs regular system upgrades to maintain a high security standard. By doing so, they free up your IT resources so that you can focus on application delivered instead of server management. Technical support: most web hosting services offer comprehensive support for troubleshooting performance issues. They also streamline website monitoring and analytic data backup and recovery and other similar features that make your website run more smoothly. Security and compliance: web hosting services use an end-to-end approach to secure infrastructure, including physical, operational, and software measures that meet all compliance requirements. What are the features of web hosting? Most web hosting companies provide different hosting packages and plans. Your monthly web hosting cost can range from free to paid depending on factors such as the following: size of your website, number of daily website visitors, peak time website or web page traffic, web hosting features that you require. Before selecting a web hosting service, explore the different features that various service providers. The following are the main features generally provided. Disk space: your website will require storage space for emails, web files, images, and database. While you are estimating your storage requirements, also consider future website growth and website traffic. Low disk space impacts user experience, so it is an important factor in the selection of a web hosting service. Bandwidth and data transfer: in the web hosting industry, the terms bandwidth and data transfer are often used interchangeably. However, they are two different things. Bandwidth is the amount of data that your website can transfer to visitors at one time. Data transfer is the actual amount of data that it transfers. You can think of bandwidth as a pipe. The bigger the pipe, the more the water can pass through it. However, for various reasons, you might not use the total capacity of the pipe. Data transfer is like the actual amount of water what goes through the pipe in a given time period. Accounts. Many web hosting plans include an email account. You can link your email address to your website name. For example, if your website name is example.com, your email address will be your name a example.com. The following are the main types of email accounts. POP3. POP3 account gives you server space to store your emails, which you can access directly or by using your email client program. Forwarding mail. Forwarding mail accounts redirect email to another email address. This account will be a personal email account with an email service provided on a third-party account. that manages your website emails for you. Aliases. Some web hosters have emails planned that you can use to create several aliases or email accounts names without creating a full POP3 account. For example, you might want to display sales support orders addresses or on different pages of your website instead of having multiple POP3 accounts that needs to be checked and administrated. You could redirect everything to a single box. FTP access. FTP access to website files transfer and sharing. Many websites have documents such as PDF files or image files that they want internet users to download. The web hosting company uses FTP access to provide this कुछ डिटेल्स रिगार्डिंग टू वेब होस्टिंग। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। हमारा चैनल हमजा इन्फो को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।